Hi, I'm Martina, and it's been 2 weeks since I started to crave my Biolake. It's the time to test the pH of water and compare it to the one I will take this autumn. Materials I will need are a glass, a test tube, a pipette, distilled water, a funnel, filter paper, universal indicator, and the red cabbage. I have two ways to measure the pH. I can use a natural indicator, like the red cabbage, or this little yellow card, a universal indicator. Let's start with the red cabbage. At first we have to cut the red cabbage into little pieces and pack them into glass. Now I'm adding distilled water. Then I put it into a test tube with a funnel and a filter paper. Now we have our natural indicator with the red cabbage. The pH is close to the 11. I'm going to measure the pH also with the universal indicator, a little piece of yellow card. I'm putting a few drops of Biolake water on the indicator. The water pH is close to the 9. My hypothesis is that in a few months it will become more neutral, so closer to the 7.